One minute you're walking in the wilderness with deers running about, and the next you are here. Welcome to the intro of my second Selborne walk to the pub called Oakhanger. This is the second and shorter pub walk from Selborne. This Gilbert's White's house opens about 10 o'clock. We parked there and got a ticket to park all year. Through the little gate and down to the river. Such a lovely bend in the river with places to sit. Down here is the huckleberry. Plain stick. Huckleberry? Where's the Joe? Call him. Zoom, 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 zoom. Through the little gate, the end, following the river. Follow the path along beside the river to the lakes. Oh, it's 10:30, so you can get a ticket for your car to park. Got a short line into long line. This is where the two walks split up. Follow the huckleberry. Follow the lovely Joe. Keep following the river this time. The lakes are lovely. I wonder if he's going to go for a big splash. Need a stick. This way. Through the little wood. Up there we'll link to the Three Horseshoes and my East Walden walk. We're going this way to Oakhanger pub and village, and you can, if you want at this point to go back, just call it a 1 or 1.5 hour walk. Go down there through the farmer's field and the signs will take you up the other side of the river. This is the choice. Our way straight across there. Nice to have an arrow to tell us we're going right. Turn right, Hucks. That's nice. Dogs know they got to be cooled down a bit.
Oh, it's nice.
Thank you for stomping them down. Come on, Hucks. This way. Huckleberry, let's go. The dog has some digging to do. We follow along the right hand side of the river. He'll catch us up. Lovely yellow arrows. Follow the river on the right hand side. Past the big marshmallows we parallel Latchford Lane for a while so that we don't have to walk along it. It's lovely. Very dry. Oh, that's a nice leak.
Where's a stick? Where's a stick?
Oh, that lake is lovely too. Down here, across the road, towards Pond Cottage. If you do need a digger, oh, that's lovely to do a bit of swimming. On a hot summer day. Get yourself to the lakes. Well done, the farmers that made the lakes. It's a little bit of a rub down.
Okay.
This way. Through the farmer's yard. It used to be maybe a car park. Then across the road. Just down there on the right. There are many walks in Woolmer Forest. But when it's been raining, oh, some of them are not accessible. We go this way. Through here. And then follow the tree line. That way. Well, it's a bit prickly around here. It's kind of nice when a snip you made a month ago is helping you walk along the trail today. And everyone else. You can call them weeds. I call them lovelies. Strange how nettles grow some places and brambles others. But where they're trees, ain't none of these. This bridge leads to a dead end we found. Maybe we went the wrong way. Anyway, here we go. This way. It's nice to get out of the stinging nettles. Oh, that one hurt. But only for a short time. Just enough time to find some dock and then placebo it on. Then out the four ways we go. Just an hour away from London. And we found a wild place. In amongst the wild, the horseflies, suddenly there's a mass of technology. I think it's an RAF radar station complex. This way. Across the Oakhanger Road, just over there. Follow the footpath sign, past Bins Mead. This way. And they're quite lovely. And we go this way. It's so sad to have enough money to have a horse, but not enough money to have a happy horse. Nowhere to go, nothing to do, eyes full of flies. They like being with other horses. They're pack animals, a group. They go around in family groups. FB. We go left to Oakhanger. We follow the main route. Oakhanger is a lovely village, and the pub is just a 10-minute walk down there along the pavement. That's above Ukraine. Good luck, guys. Keep going. So pretty. Oh, good. Always good to ring ahead. This way. The flag of St. George. George and the Dragon. A Turkish gentleman. 3 minutes walk down the road. Just past MOD Oakhanger. We're on our way back to Selborne. The prettiest cottage in Hampshire. Always carry enough water for doggy too. You can go that way to back to where we were, but we prefer up here to Candover. It's always nice to walk back a different way. Goodbye to the marshmallows, and well done the farmer for getting weeded before the ground all cracked up. This way, corner of the field, and left. Follow the forest track. Sometimes you forget to film because it's just all looks so lovely. This bit isn't on the app on our way back. Even though it's not on the app, it's a lovely wide trail. Keep going. Keep going across all the crossroads till you get to the log. And then you gotta go kind of straight on. If the straight on is overgrown, then from the log, just go left. Just a little distance, and then we go through here. This is the second bit today, not on my map app. This way. Parallel to my map app way, heading back towards the river and the lakes. Sometimes you're herding even if you're not meaning to. Anyway, they're friendly. Follow the green arrows, and if you open a gate, do make sure you close it. This way. And just up here, we join up back to the lies. Back through long lie and short lie, back to Selborne. Have a nice walk. Always follow the huckleberry. My walks are available on YouTube. There's many of them. Google Mr. Science Stevens walks and press the videos, and you'll find all my Hampshire walking videos there. The problem with not clipping is that someone will complain to the National Trust or the council, and they do a devastation, killing plants and animals and everything, just to stop the moaning minis for a couple of months. Yeah, that's a lot of flowers just being destroyed, and all the bees and everything. 4.5 hours later, and some of the bottles we got from the freezer, leave a little space, are still good. And the 12-year-old doggy is a little bit tired. Mind you, 12 times 7, 84. From Selborne to Oakhanger. So we parked at the car park, which is opposite, just next to a pub, and also next to Gilbert White's. So you either have to pay per hour, it takes about 4.5 hours, or you become a year member of Gilbert White's. I think that's £11. That was when we did it. So, ooh, So come out of the car park, turn left, go through the back of the church and down here through Little Lithe and then through Big Lithe. Big? Large? Okay. Next we went past these ponds. We had a little bit of splash around. Always good to get the dog. Oh, we did at the corner of the river as well. Always good to get the dog wet. We went up here. Along this way. We got to this many ways here. Rather than going to Step Cottage straight to the road and then having to walk up the road, we went along this way. Crossed over near Pond Cottages. Up here. This is the Warmer Forest. There are many ways of going through and many ways of getting lost up here. Where it's sandy and very muddy in the winter time. So we went this way. We went along here to take a little look at the radar stations and to here. We crossed over the Oakhanger Road and here and up here. There are two ways of doing it. We went round to the left and got on to Oakhanger Road and walked down here. To the Oakhanger pub, which is about here somewhere, which was closed on a Tuesday. Do ring up and check. We went down here afterwards, along here. You can just go down here and rejoin your way, but we decided to go along and up here. It's always nice to come back a different way. Now at this point we cut through here. It's not marked on any of the maps, but it's a big wide road, big enough to take a tractor down, and we came up to here. And at this point again we went where there are no tracks. We went parallel to this path. We went through here and down there, oops, back through Little and Big Lithe and back, and then we went and had a lovely pint at the pub that's a little bit the worse for wear, but the beer is good, just opposite Gilbert Wright's. Cool. I hope that helps. Write down in comments if it does. Have a nice walk.